Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about AI, and this is a topic that lots of people have asked me about. Specifically, the English teachers are asking me if there's a way that we can figure out if students have used AI to write an assignment. I do not have a good answer for that one. So this will be a challenge for us going forward, but it's also a tool that we can definitely make use of. So I wanted to talk a little bit about different AIs. This is one AI, and I'm going to give you an example of this one. There is also an AI that I found that does lesson plans. There's an AI that does slide decks, sort of like Nearpod. There's an AI that actually does presentations for more of like a business thing. There's AIs that do images. This is one of the first AIs that they came out with called ChatGPT, and it's the one that you most likely heard about if you were hearing about it on the news or something, okay? So this is the one that I have tried the most, so it's the one I'm going to go with, okay? And I'm going to come over here, and this is actually once you sign in, and it's free, you can just sign in. Once you sign in, what you get, okay? So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to make me a worksheet. So I want create a worksheet for students explaining fragments, the most common English teacher thing, and giving students 10 sentences to identify fragments. I'm sure it's just so exciting to see me type all that, right? The better you write, the better it's going to come up with, okay? So right away it's generating, okay? It's explaining what fragments are, giving students tips on how to identify them, and I could totally write this myself, right? But is it faster to have an AI do it? Definitely. And it even has my answer key, right? I've done it before and not put please include the answer key, but this one automatically does it, and it even explains why. That is fabulous, okay? So that's awesome. These sentences are a little boring and not really anything that I'm interested in, right? So I'm going to come back up here, and I'm going to do this topic again because we can remix them, okay? But I'm actually going to change it up a little bit, and I'm going to go to the career tech field descriptions, okay? So let's just, I'm going to copy that description. I'm going to say make the sentences about and I'm going to put this in quotation marks about our skilled trades track, right? And I just copied this right from the Oakmont website. Let's see how it does. Okay. So again, it's doing all that explaining, right? Let's see if it can actually do the sentences. Oh, look. Our skilled trades are a perfect track for anyone who wants to work with their hands, learn critical safety techniques, and we have all of these sentences that are actually about the manufacturing and construction field. So students would be doing this worksheet, but they also might be learning about our construction track for them to go study, right? And I could do the same thing with culinary. I could do the same thing with whatever program you have. I know we have like the nail tech. So it's a way to personalize it and maybe make it a little more interesting to students if you pick one of these things that they're interested in, or in a sneaky way to teach them about some of the career fields that we have. So this is just one way that I could use it. I could also say, so I'm going to grab all of this, okay? Write a summary about our career training as outlined here. I'm going to go ahead and paste that in and press enter. And now it's going to take and turn all of those into sentences for me. And now instead of it being a bulleted text, it gives me a short little paragraph that describes the skilled trades that we offer. The strength of this and the ability of this is just outstanding, and the things that you can do. I mean, if you're a math teacher, you could give me 10 questions about whatever, anything you want. You can also tell it to write you a paragraph on whatever topic you want and use it, because we don't always need those things to be original. What we do usually need is for text for our students to work with. So this is what I have for how you could possibly use OpenAI to maybe save some time. Um, I don't think that it's really cheating. I could totally write these sentences myself, but I do think that it kind of gives me a head start and makes things just a little bit easier. So let me know what you think. Have a great week.